Good morning mga kadakila. Today is Sunday and we just slaughtered a chicken for lunch. So as you can see, this is a hen. And I know you know today is the Lord's Day, but I didn't attend this morning for the mass because I've planned to attend the mass at Solano later at 6 p.m. So, happy cooking and good morning ulit. So, as you can see guys, I'm using a traditional way of burning this chicken. You know why? It's because we're saving up the LPG this year because due to the high price of the LPG. It is also a double purpose since today is not raining and we only use the lane during rainy season. Including also since we reside here in a rural area, so we have plenty firewood around of our house. So being thrifty is not a bad. It's a wise choice to save it for the better usage. So why are we doing this traditional way of burning
It's
this
just a
chicken?
joke. Don't believe him, guys.
So the reason is why
The reason is not the reason anymore. Because
the oil,
like
the
go,
natural
go,
oil will come
go.
out. Tomleng aku kuin nga. Brad. I'm now currently chopping this chicken. Oh, it's so hot. So hot like me, bro. So hot. So it has small eggs. Yeah. It's about to. Um, oh, shush. I just broke the. So by the way, if you have seen my recent post about the chicken I got slaughtered last Friday, it is that breed of that kind of breed of the chicken is the dark skin chicken. So today, this is another type of breed of chicken. since the color of the skin is white. As you can see, the pressure is pressurizing. The chicken is already now cooked, and let us see the look. Oh, see the look. See the look, guys. I shit yummy. You see the meat of the chicken. It's not so very oily than the chicken you buy at the store, which is the frozen.